This is the Balut Duck Fetus Challenge. Woo! Oh, that's the century egg? Dude, dude, what is that? Oh God, it's like green. It looks like it's rotten.
Sounds professional.
Yeah.
You look professional.
Thank you, sir. I was taught by the best. We gotta show the people what this is. It's like literally like a developed like baby duck in here.
Yeah, it's a developed baby duck.
Look at that. There's like bits of like flesh and like fetus in here. This looks like an eyeball. Is that an eyeball? All right.
Nah, I don't know. Just eat it.
I don't know what that is, man.
Just eat it.
There's like veins all inside. What did you sign me up for, man? You just set me up. Oh my God. Not to take away from this balut right here, but that is black. Oh! What?
It's freaking you out.
Dude, it's freaking me out. I'm not gonna lie, it's freaking me out a little bit.
Even I can eat this.
You can't?
I can't.
Oh, dude, what have you signed me up for?
Actually, I haven't tried yet.
You haven't tried it?
Yes.
Should we get you one?
Nah. The eggs.
Oh, hey. Oh, look, Anna.
Em là thoải mái không đau.
Look.
Tôi bắt Thảo.
This one's a little bit more raw than the one yesterday. Okay.
Nah.
Anna, no. No, Anna.
Bad dog.
It's like a hard-boiled egg, but like it was almost alive, and then they were like, no, sorry.
Nah.
Mmm. And then we got some kimchi right there, and that green sauce, whatever that is amazing. Dude, it's really good. It's like a hard-boiled egg on steroids. On steroids.
Yeah.
Hard-boiled egg on steroids.
Try with it.
Dude, I love balut. I'm not gonna lie. I thought it would be weird. It tastes so good.
Balut.
And there's like broth inside. See that? There's broth all on the inside of that. Woo! Woo! Yeah, boy. All this food seemed so strange to me until I ate it, and I was like, it's just delicious. It's just delicious. Like,
You haven't tried with the sauce.
if you're scared, you just aren't willing to try. Oh God. It does look intimidating though. Look at that. There's like veins on it. Ooh. Steamy. Oh, and the bottom's hard. The bottom is hard. The top is soft and the bottom's hard. If you ever get a chance to try this, don't be scared. It's delicious. It seems really weird, but it tastes so good. This green sauce right here is like, it's just amazing.
Pepper salt.
Oh, pepper salt. Okay, so this thing, the century egg. Wait, can you like explain this?
Yes.
It looks like gasoline in a puddle on the side of the road. It's translucent. It has this like amber color. So this looks rotten, but it tastes great.
Yes. Split it.
Oh God, dude. It's blue. Oh, dude, it looks rotten, man.
It's not rotten.
It's not rotten.
Đừng có dập nó.
Dude, it looks, oh, it looks rotten, man. This isn't rotten.
Yeah, try it first.
It looks like old.
Old egg. Right?
Oh, it's good. God, dude, looking at it, it looks like it just like was in the fridge for like 10 years. So, this is like to eat with?
Yes, it's a I don't know what it's called in English, but
These are like aged as well, maybe.
it's creamy, right?
It's creamy, yeah. It's creamy. The taste is like, I don't know, my brain is tripping me out. It tastes a little aged. Oh, she got one too. It's good for your health. It's gonna cure my flu. I'm starting to feel better already. You can see here, look, point the camera here. Like how like, and it's like an amber color. It's like jelly or something.
Yeah.
Oh, I love how the color changes when you put the light on it. It's really mellow. It's not as salty as the other stuff. I don't know how they get it to look so intimidating. I mean, eating black stuff is like kind of weird, and blue stuff, it's like it looks like moldy like cheese.
Yeah.
But blue cheese, yeah, definitely looks like blue cheese. But look at this, man.
Like jelly.
A jelly. It's a little bit sweet on the outside, and it's like creamy on the inside. Oh, you ate the whole thing?
Yeah.
I'm getting this like flavor on my tongue. It's like,
Yes.
Ăn cho một miếng.
I don't know what to say.
I don't know how to describe this flavor on my tongue. It's like,
You need to clean it.
oh, it's like old and musty, kinda.
Không mua 2 quả luôn chứ.
Even this garlic tastes like a little bit aged or something. It's like, maybe it's just my brain playing tricks on me. I think it's like the fermentedness of it or something. Oh, and these are kind of sweet. I've never eaten anything like this. Dude, I've never even heard of this. Century egg. Creamy and like jelly. And it's like a mild flavor. A little bit of sweetness. I mean, I feel like after all the other weird food you threw in my mouth, like, this wasn't too far off. I have a zoo in my mouth. I'm gonna tell all the girls all the weird stuff I've been eating. And see if they still want to kiss me once they see these videos. Fluang and Anna. Very cute. Hello, Anna. Hello. Hello, Anna. Oh my gosh, you're so cute. Bye-bye. See ya. See ya. Oh, you're gonna be on it. Yes. No.
You see many chicks, right?
There's a lot of girls here.
Yeah.
Girls like Balut?
Hot chicks.
Hot chicks? Which one you like? Pick one. Say hi.
I don't pick one.
They pick you.
Nah, I pick all.
Not for you.
I don't.
This
pick
man's
one.
taken.
I don't pick one. I pick all. Kids, pick one. Men.
Did you say kids pick one? And men pick all?
Yeah.
Hey, man.
Dude.
Hey, if you got game like that.
Bro.
He's too old. Then what am I? Please step out of your comfort zone. Eat some different food. Don't just eat fries and burgers and pizza and like whatever you're used to. Like literally, this looks so weird, right? It's one of the best things that you could be eating. It's so delicious, you have no idea, and you won't until you just take the leap. So just do it. Just take that leap. Anyways, I think that's about it, man. We're gonna wrap this up. That was the egg baby duck fetus challenge.